as you wrap your arms around me. Ooh, baby.
Okay, what's up, my babies? Welcome back to my channel. If you do not know me, my name is Courtney. In today's video, I'm going to show you all how I style my wig in a sleek, chic pony. Everyone loves that. So right now, I'm just showing you all how I'm laying my wig down. It is slightly sewn down, but the front isn't. So I'm using my Got To Be Glued gel and I'm installing it. So yeah. Please disregard me talking. I'm not talking to myself. I was on the phone with my grandmother this whole time. My grandma is my bestie. We be having the best conversations. But anywho, after my gel, I go in with my Got To Be Free spray. When I tell y'all this is my holy grail, I absolutely love this stuff. Baby, I love it. So I'm just gonna go through with this and spray it all over my hairline, and I'm also gonna use the blow dryer to let it set a little bit. Now I'm just pulling my wig, oh my gosh, I can't talk. I'm pulling my wig forward to kind of get it in place. And I kind of really messed up on this part because I had my wig too far on one side. And you'll see like later on in the video, one side is like, you could damn near see my braids. But you know what I'm saying? We're gonna move past that, just ignore it or whatever. But yeah, so I know you all see this frontal, it's a lot of lace, so it looks like, no baby, that's a lot of shedding. But if you haven't seen the review for this hair, I will leave it in the cards above. Also, I will leave the link to the hair in the description box. The bundles are from DFX Hair and the frontal is from Supernova Hair, so check out that. So I went ahead and let my wig set for about maybe like 10 or 15 minutes just to, you know, seal the deal or whatever. And when I took my, as y'all can see my face, when I took my scarf off, I had a little bit of white residue, which is okay. And I wanted my lace, the lace, quote unquote, to melt a little bit more into my skin. So I'm just going in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation and I'm just blending that thing out, okay? So when I first took my hair down, I was low-key like feeling it or whatever, as y'all can see. But I had to remember that this was a look that I was trying to go for. So I'm parting my hair off in a slightly deep side part, and then I'm doing this like 90s swoop or whatever into a ponytail. So I'll just let you guys watch. And that's the end of this look. I hope you all enjoyed it. I think it's super cute and super chic. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe.